Welcome to our roundup of the best gadgets and hi-fi releases of 2025. 2025 is shaping up to be a year full of breakthroughs in technology. From advanced gadgets to state-of-the-art audio systems, here are the top releases you need to know about. First up, the AI-powered Smart Home Hub. Control your home's lighting, security, and more, all with just your voice. It's the future of living in comfort. Next, the foldable OLED display phone. With its compact design, it offers a big screen experience that folds up for maximum portability, perfect for on-the-go users. Augmented reality glasses are here to change the way you interact with the world. From immersive gaming to hands-free navigation, the future is now right before your eyes. The 4K smart speaker is a powerhouse for entertainment. With deep bass, crystal-clear highs, and immersive surround sound, it's the perfect addition to your home theater setup. The new noise-canceling wireless earbuds let you dive into your favorite tunes without distraction. Whether you're commuting or working out, these are built for sound quality and comfort. For plant enthusiasts, the smart self-watering plant system is a must-have. Using sensors and AI, it ensures your plants are always watered and thriving, even when you're not home. What are you most excited about from this year's tech? We're celebrating the gadgets and advancements that are shaping the future. What do you think will be the next big thing of 2025? From smart homes to innovative audio systems, 2025 is a year to remember for technology. Which gadget are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below.